Converting GeoJSON file to Shapefile in QGIS is pretty straightforward. First, drag your GeoJSON file into QGIS. Then right-click on the layer in the Layers panel, which layer you want to convert. Then go to Export, Save Feature As. In the file name, just select your desired name, and in the CRS panel you can select the coordinate reference system. If you can't find your desired coordinate system here, you can click on the world icon, and here you can find almost every CRS that you want. Let's leave it for now. And in encoding you can select the encodings. UTF-8 is pretty common encoding, and there are other options. You can select from this if you need. Let's click on OK. You can find some errors. It says invalid variant type for field geopoints 2D, received Q variant map with type. If you find such type of errors, you can easily handle this. Let's close this and right click again, export, save feature as, and click on this select field to export and their export options. In the GeoPoint 2D, type JSON, just check on the use key value. Now this should work. Click on OK. See, our new shapefile is created from this GeoJSON file and added to the map. We can check the file in the location. Here you can see that our US boundary dataset has been converted to shapefile.